All right, so good day, guys. Mark here again, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a quick tutorial or another DIY session. But before we begin, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and kindly check out my playlist. If you love DIYs or basically cars, this might be the channel for you.
A few moments later.
All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to replace an old steering wheel cover with a new one. This applies to all type of vehicle as long as they use a steering wheel, then this video is for you. So why do we usually put a steering wheel cover? Of course, one would be better grip, and the next one is additional looks, and third would be protection of this the upholstery of your steering wheel, because sometimes the stock steering wheel, they've already have like leathers and like stitches and all, but most of us wants to maintain that look. That's the reason why we want to put a steering wheel cover, or maybe we don't like that stock look and we wanted to use a different color with our steering wheel. So today I'm gonna teach you how to replace basically the steering wheel cover. All right, so first thing that you'll need to do is, of course, measure your steering wheel. In my case, my Hyundai Eon, this is a 38 centimeters steering wheel, or medium sized, and I'll be replacing since it has some damages and already worn out leathers. But in terms of comfort, I'm really comfortable in using this steering wheel cover, and I'll be replacing it with this one. All right, so in time, expect that this is going to be hard to be removed, because sometimes it shrinks due to heat. Okay, and then expect that you'll have a hard time. So sometimes car owners cut this right away. So I'm gonna try to remove it by hand. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right, so I hope you guys can see it. First, let's remove it. Start at the top, try to loosen up one portion. Okay, great. So, and all right, so there you go. This is the old steering wheel cover that I have. Now let me just get the new one. All right, so right before you put in the new one, you might want to clean the surface, since this steering wheel will be installed and possibly will be here for a year or two, depending on its condition, after 1 year. All right. And let's try to look for any markers on how to or where to install it. Okay, so the stitch goes to the bottom, and so slowly put the steering wheel cover one portion at a time, just like replacing a tire from your bicycle. That's how it works. And make sure everything is tucked in. Let me just make some adjustments. Perfect. All right, so that's my new steering wheel cover. All right, looks fancy, feels good, it's soft, smells great as well. All right, and that's how you replace your steering wheel cover. If you have any questions about this DIY, please feel free to comment down below. And if you like the DIY video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thank you so much, guys, and until our next video, take care.